Overcooking or undercooking your turkey can ruin your Christmas dinner, which, let's face it, nobody wants. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through 4 really easy ways you can check your turkey is cooked on the big day, because cooked on the outside doesn't mean cooked on the inside. The simplest and easiest way to check your turkey is cooked is to use a temperature probe. Now, there's lots on the market. You can have ones that go in whilst it's cooking, or you can have a probe like this, which gives you an instant temperature read. But if you have an infrared probe, don't use this for your turkey because it will only give you a surface temperature, which of course isn't an indication of the temperature of the thickest part of the meat. So if you have a probe, you'll need to probe the thickest part of the meat and check the temperature holds. Now, it's easiest just to check that the temperature hits 75 degrees for 30 seconds. Of course, you can go slightly lower as long as it holds the temperature for longer. For example, you could go down to 70 degrees Celsius, but it needs to hold that temperature for a full 2 minutes. And if you go up, for example, if your meat hits 80 degrees Celsius on the thickest part of the meat, it only needs to hold it for 6 seconds. Now, in a whole turkey, the thickest part of the meat is between the breast and the leg. And when you probe this area, you should feel some resistance. If it goes in too easy, like there's nothing there, then you've hit cavity. And if it hits something, you've hit bone. Now, if you're not sure, remember it doesn't hurt to probe the meat in a couple of locations. And if you're cooking a turkey crown or a boned and rolled turkey, the thickest part of the meat is at the center of the joint. Now, I don't recommend stuffing your turkey, but if you have, remember that you'll need to check that the meat has reached the right temperature, but also that the core of the stuffing inside has too, which might mean cooking your turkey just that little bit longer to keep cooking the stuffing. Now, if you don't have a probe, there are 3 other ways you can check your turkey is cooked, and you'll want to use all 3 of these together. So first of all, you want to make sure the juices run clear. Now, if the juices are pink, it's a sign it's not yet cooked and it needs longer. Then as you cut into it, the meat should be steaming hot all the way through. And lastly, make sure that no pink meat remains. And there you go, 4 really easy, simple ways to help you to make sure you're not undercooking or overcooking your turkey this Christmas. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because next up, we're carving it.